Now he's vlogging his face. What's going on, guys? We're probably gonna have a short video today. Nothing about the Z. We're gonna take a break from the Z because I'm tired of it. It's broken as fuck. It's probably gonna get worse. So we're out here with the boys. This is Kyle and Edward. We're out here getting sushi. I think today I'm gonna try to get. Oh shit! Why is it so dark?
We're gonna get fucked up tonight.
Yeah. Fucked up with paint. We're gonna. What the fuck? Why is it so dark? I don't know, but.
Alright, we should probably go before they kick us out.
Yeah. So we're gonna try to paint the front lip on the Beamer. I already got all the paint and stuff from Napa. So that's what we're gonna do today. Yeah, I think I know where they get their fish from. Over here. Look at that.
Here at her sushi, you get to choose your own fish.
Yeah, for real. Yeah, my place. Fucking Kyle's car looks so nice. I actually really like it white. Alright, so we're back in the kitchen. I'm gonna clean the garage a little bit because I got a huge mess. I'm trying to do this for a while, but I guess today's the day that I fucking clean this place. So yeah. Alright guys, so the garage is semi-clean. We're gonna set up these wheels. I'm gonna bag them up, tape them up, that way they don't roll away. But I got the front lip right here. I gotta clean it. So I'm gonna get that going before I start painting. So the paint I got was from Napa. I had to mix my paint code, which is A17. It's called Havana Metallic, and it's from my f30. I think this was like 12 bucks, 13 bucks maybe. But then I got it mixed in an aerosol can because I didn't want to have a compressor and everything just to paint a front lip. So they put it in an aerosol can. I got 2 of them on the pint. And then I also got this 2K clear. This is really expensive, so hopefully it sprays on really nice. I also have, because the lip is like polyurethane plastic, I have this plastic softener, so when you spray paint on it, it lays on really nice. So I'm gonna use that as a primer so the paint can stick onto it very well. There we go. So I need to wipe it down. I think I'm gonna use spray cleaner. Hopefully it doesn't melt it. I highly doubt it will, but there's always that chance. Or if that doesn't work, I'm gonna use Dawn soap or Dawn dish soap. So I think I had too much energy being drawn from the outlet, so the breaker went out. So fuck, I need to go switch that back up. So we got the lights back on, and yeah, I aired it all out. I'm gonna spray the plastic softener thing. So I'm gonna let it get sticky and then I'll spray it. Already threw 2 coats of the base coat on the lip. It looks pretty good. I'm gonna throw away in my 3rd coat and then hopefully that should be good. Looks really fucking nice. This is just with 2 coats of the base coat. It really looks like it's got full coverage. But I'm gonna throw 1 more. And then wait like 30 minutes to let the base coat, like, you know, adheres to the plastic properly, and then I'm gonna throw on the 2K clear. so metallic-y. So I'm gonna start spraying the toothpaste clear. This is what it looks like. This is expensive as fuck for a clear coat. Holy shit, I can taste it in my mouth. Alright, so we're gonna go to my mom's house and get some, see if we can find some snow chains because it's supposed to snow this whole week. And I don't want anything to do with that, so I'm gonna go get some snow chains. Be in this fucking death cloud right here. Damn, can you see it in the camera? Oh, you kinda can. Holy f, car is so dirty. We had like a little snow. Just with like that little drive I did to work, my car got racked with dirt. So this is the first coat of clear. It should be dry already, honestly. Yeah, it's dry and that looks really good. Dang. So I highly recommend that 2K clear. It lays on really nice. I give it another 2 coats. Look at the car this guy garages in his garage. Bro, it's a fucking Sentra. Chill. Miss your shoes. Damn. I had to hook up my nephew with the same shoes as me. Babysitting for a little bit. The lip is almost done. We're about to go take a look at it. He has a YouTube channel. You guys should go follow it or subscribe to him. What's your YouTube channel? Do you guys have kids? Like, go to his channel. He has like of him playing with toys and stuff. I'm pretty sure you guys kids will like that. Oh my god, that's so nice. So the lip is fully painted. It's really smooth. It's dry. Dang, I highly recommend that clear coat, guys. But I have to hurry up. It started raining. It's gonna start snowing soon, and the Z's outside, so I need to hurry up and clean this up. Brand new day. I'm gonna take down the car by the garage, see if the lip is done. It should be. It's cold as fuck, so I highly doubt that the paint dried well. But we can only wish for the best. I just want to see how it looks today, because yesterday kind of got ruined. I accidentally touched the wet paint, so it kind of ruined the clear a little bit. And I know part of the lip isn't as shiny as it was. Like if you guys saw on my Instagram, that was like the paint was like, the clear coat was like basically dry but like a little bit sticky, you know, when the paint's still soft. Moving the lip kind of messed up the paint, kind of. It doesn't look bad. Look at that. It literally feels like OEM paint. I'm just gonna try to put it on, but I just started to record it because I feel like the paint's gonna crack. Look how straight that is, and look how straight the bumper is. Like, there's no way. It's gonna crack, and I'm kind of sad about it because I didn't even think about it. Didn't crack. It looks pretty good. It actually matched very well. Obviously the car is dirty as fuck right now, so you can tell the difference. But if you guys are wondering where I got this lip from, I just got it, or my girlfriend got it off of eBay. Good. I like it. Thanks, babe. Appreciate it. Something I want to add on to it is this garage door lip, just to make it look like a front splitter. Alright guys, so I got the lip back on. Even with the garage door seal, with the cheap front splitter, if I call it correctly, looks pretty good. I ended up using a bunch of self tappers. I got lucky enough that I had enough. You guys probably won't be able to see it, but it came out really nice. Definitely makes the front way more aggressive, and the paint came out really nice too. It matches very well. So that's it for this video, guys. Hit me up on Instagram. Don't forget to sub, like, and hit that notification button. I'll see you guys on the next one.